We're excited about this one. 1/6 scale, World War II era Jeep. This has been out for a while. It's from RocHobby. Always wanted one of these. Finally pulled the trigger. Can't wait to get this thing opened. Super scale, super realistic looking. Let's get it opened and see what it looks like in person. Alright, so just by opening this is pretty exciting. Let's pull this out, move this foam. Okay, let's see how we're going to do this here. Alright, so your windshield folds up and down. Yeah, I mean, this is awesome. Wow. 1/6 scale, 1941 Jeep. This guy here helped win World War II. Alright, so here it is in all its glory. This is pretty impressive. Super scale looking. I can already see I'm going to spend a lot of time painting little details, interiors, taking the gloss off a little bit, maybe getting an airbrush to it. You have a little bit of a suspension, a little bit of articulation here. Oil-filled shocks, might have to replace the shock oil in those. Two-piece transmitter, foam wheel. You have your trim. This is it's a 4-channel transmitter. The windshield folds down like so. Oh, actually this clips. Yeah, it clips in right there. Okay. So yeah. Cloth upholstered seats, front and rear, which is awesome. Here's a size comparison to a 10 scale crawler. It's the Axial Wraith 1.9 and then the 1/6 scale. Comes with a pair of windshield wipers to install on the windshield. So here's the, I don't know what you call this, rod that it comes with to keep the body propped up. You have a 550 brushed 35 turn motor right here, fully waterproof receiver, and a Hobbywing 1060 brushed ESC. So you have a separate servo right here for your steering wheel, and then your main steering servo is up front. All metal chassis, battery tray, 2 or 3S, and XT60 adapter. Yeah, shocks are pretty beefy, look adjustable. I mean, this is pretty nice, pretty impressive. All plastic body. So solid axle front and rear. These are, I think they're plastic links. I don't know if those are metal. Yeah, you have real mirrors, rear view mirror. So the hood, you just have these tabs. Kind of pop it open. There we go. So yeah, I'm definitely going to paint this, get that super scale looking, add some realism to it. Very cool. Alright, so one of the must-haves for a vehicle of this size and with this much open cabin. You've got to have a figure that's semi-scale. So I don't know if this guy's gonna fit. I'll have to do some modifications here. How's he look?
Good. It's actually really scale.
Yeah. There he is. Little scale action figure. 11, 12 inch, 6 scale guy.
11, 12 inch, 6 scale guy.
It's pretty cool.
Go fast. There you go.